The pull was there. I was on bed. There was nothing to do. COVID was there. My husband take the actually the load because the little one was
Mm,
4 years old at that time, and there was no house help and everything.
mm,
That time there was so much of pull. I started having lots of visions. Dream state were different. Started seeing the stories. Starting lots of things. Talking to the soul. All those things started happening, and it kept happening. And then I professionally, it's like when you need it, they'll just come. So
mm,
that's when there was I was scrolling on the Facebook, and then I saw a ad of a Reiki practitioner, and I just enrolled for it. And within 3 months, I reached to the Reiki Grandmaster level, and I also get, be the member of the Reiki Council of India in just 3 months. And she was telling me, Ruchi, मैंने आज तक कभी किसी को Grand Mastership नहीं. And when I am attuning you, I can feel that I am not attuning only you. I am attuning two people. I am attuning two people. मैंने कहा, that's the divine wish. I don't know anything. I
mm,
still don't know anything. And by the time by my first level and second level was completed, I was on bed, but I started getting people to heal them. So during my pregnancy, I started healing people, right? So that's how things take over. And then by the time my son was born, it was on 21st of August, right? That's also a very magical and miraculous story, that how things happened, how he was born, but not getting into that. So next, coming to that, after he was born, before he was born. So the day before he was born, again, psychically, I was journaling something. What was that? It was a letter from the soul to me where he told me everything for what purpose he's here.
mm,
So I still have that. I still have that in my journal. What is there, what I have to do, all those things. And by the time he was turning 1, it was like a major breakthrough, because that letter before he was born and the next 1 year, it brought me to a level where I was able to see the past lives.
mm,
I was seeing, like, I was seeing all the past life, not
mm,
only mine, and whomsoever was coming near
mm,
me, just looking at them. It's like the movies flashing out, and I started talking like I need to keep my mouth shut.
mm,
Stop. What are you saying? Because at that
mm.
time, my mind was telling me, what the hell are you saying? From where
Right.
it is coming? But people were saying, just
Mm,
say it, just say it. I was like, no, I can't
mm,
say it. Then another guru came into my life, and I actually did my certifications in past life regression and hypnotherapy. So that certification was from NGH US, and that was the first batch, first time that there was an Indian trainer who was affiliated with that. I need not to go to US.
mm,
I did it in Bangalore. That's why I was telling you that I
mm,
came to Bangalore. So that was my official certification, and then there was another program of hypnotherapy, so NLP thing. So I did all those things, right? And that actually shaped my life, because by that time, again, they asked me in the first day, what brought you here? I said, I don't know. They said, just do it. I am here. They said, just do it. Who said
mm,
it? I don't know. For me, it was always since my childhood, I was able to see a Jyoth. And today also, it was the Jyoth. That time, they questioned me on that Jyoth, or like, it's not like that. Who is that? You cannot let anyone rule your life. I said, what's the problem in that? At the end of the day, someone is
mm.
taking care of us. So what's the point? And if I am
Right.
here, there must be some purpose behind it, because
Correct.
since my childhood, there was one thing. Whatever happened, whatever is happening, and whatever is going to happen, it is for a reason. And the reason is all good things for everyone.
Correct.
We can
Beautiful.
never imagine what they had planned for us.
Right.